Alright. I just realized right when I was about to start stream that I have the wrong thing. I had the stream ending open. Oh shit, I need to stop moving my mic. I need to get used to not touching my mic at all because I keep touching it and it keeps making noises. I also need to probably, right? Absolutely. I need to start pronunciating my words really well because holy crap, God, I need to stop mumbling, man. I need to I'm sorry, I'm listening to my own stream, seeing if I'm making sure that I'm not too loud, that it's not peaking the mic. Because in OBS it says that I'm peaking the mic, but then if you actually listen on the stream, it's actually not peaking. So it's kind of weird with OBS in that regard. But anyways, okay. So yes, I need to speak more clearly when I'm doing stuff like this because guys, I am so bad at this. Okay, so for what we're doing in this stream is we're going to be trying to make a scene manager that I enjoy. So let's create some folders first, right? This one's going to be called assets. Create another folder called scripts. So here we're going to put the assets here. Here we're going to put 3D node here and call this world. It's going to be in a new folder called scenes. Save the world, right? Here we're going to set the folder colors because why not? They look quite nice when you do that. Here we're going to create a script and call this scene manager, right? So now we have the scene manager script. Now we need to go into the project settings, go into global, and then add in the scene manager as a global, so that way we can access it anywhere. After that, what is it that I want to do, eh? Let us go into here, let's delete all of those, right? Make another scene that's going to be user interface. Well, user interface, call this splash screens, right? So save that into there. Go into here. Simply, all I'm going to do is add in let's add in a panel. Oops. Add in a panel. Take up the whole screen. Call this background. And then let us add in a label. Make the label text. This is what is that? What would you call this? Placeholder. There we go. My brain was dying for a bit. Now we do this. We need to go into theme, font size. Make the font size like 70 for now. I'm clicking V like I'm doing Affinity Designer. So we're gonna do that. Call this text, I guess. So what we're going to be doing is this is the ready, the funk underscore on ready. Let's like get all this back. So funk ready, right? So upon it being ready, what it should do is it should grab the splash screen. So let's say on ready variable splash screen pack scene is equal to that. So on this on ready, what I need first though is I need a function called change scene, which will take in void. Oh, you know what I wanted to do? I wanted to make this into C sharp. Oops. Let's do this. It kind of works. I wanted to do this in C sharp. I forgot. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go into Godo. Okay, we'll do this one. So Godo Scene Manager. So I'm gonna go to Godo's organization. I'm going to go to docs and let's look at it in C sharp. So connect the signal, extremely safe but only to respond to behavior, not to start it. By convention, signals names are usually past tense verbs like entered, skill activated, or item collected. Right. Column method. Initialize callable. So, okay, let's do this. Godo C sharp basics. That's all I need. I just need the basics of C sharp, so that way I can use stuff. Project settings, move that, add in a script, change it. I can't change it to anything. Why can't I not change it to C sharp? Oh, I did. Okay. Godo bundles parts of the .NET required. Okay, why did I do this on my game? Sorry, guys. .NET required to run already compiled games. However, Godo does not bundle the tools required to build and compile games such as MS Build and C Sharp compiler. This is included in the .NET SDK and needs to be installed separately. In summary, you must have installed the .NET SDK and the .NET enabled version of Godo. Download and install the latest version of the .NET download. Shit. Do I have to download this first? Yes, I do, guys. I did not know that. So. That's bad. If you are building a Godo from source, make sure to follow the steps to enable .NET support in your build, as outlined in the compiler. Configuring an external... I don't need an external JetBrains. Okay. Whoops. Don't show that. I shouldn't have shown anything bad, but don't show that. Alright, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Screen is all I'm going to be putting up. Okay, I don't think you guys saw anything that was too bad. No, you guys did not. Alright. Gosh, I need to get way better at this for all of this stuff, man. Because I am horrendous. Let's close Godot down so that way Godot does not get any errors while I am installing the C#. Should move this up over here, should move this over here, and should move this over here. So, download. I don't need Visual Studio Code. I just need this .NET. So let's see. There's just C# and G here. There's a description section. Okay, prerequisites. Okay, so I have it installed now. However, Godot does not bundle the tools for power. These are included in the .NET SDK, which is some summary. Not enabled version. Download started building the Godot source file. Powering the .NET page. Enable .NET module. C# support from Godot has historically used the mono runtime instead of the .NET runtime. Eternally means when you name mono instead of .NET, or otherwise referred to as mono. You can use .NET. By default, the .NET models are used to enable it. Add the options module mono. Enable the SCONs command line, or otherwise following the instructions for building the Guys, what does this mean? Guys, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what it means when it's all this. C#. Oh, fucking me, guys. Huh. Wait, does that mean I automatically have it or something? Wait. Does that mean I already have it? Do I already have it? I don't, guys. What is happening? What is happening? Huh. Okay, so I have to use Visual Studio Code. Do this. What a pain in my butt, guys. trying to figure out how to do this. All of this. What a pain in my butt. So I did want to do this in C# so that way I could at least learn some C#. That's all I really wanted. All I really wanted from this. So do I do this, guys? How the hell do I do this? Extensions. Manage extensions? Browser. Okay. So C#. How does he do this? Here's a C# dev kit. Grab kit. Do I not get that? It's not an extension. It is an extension. How does this work? .NET model builder. Okay, so he installs it. That's all of this. What the hell? You know, why do I keep doing this to myself? I keep on like, I don't know what's wrong with me. Why did I like decide to have Microsoft, the Microsoft Studio Code, and I don't have Visual Studio Code? Why didn't I just keep both of them? Like, is there something wrong with me, dude? Why don't I just keep both of my things? So that way I can just do it. I could just like get all of this. Anyways, C# dev kit. I don't know why I don't have both of these. I should really just have both of these fucking open. Like, I should really have both of these installed and up and running. Something's wrong with me, guys. Something is wrong with me. That's all it is. The .NET install tool. So he says press F1, type in .NET. Still downloading some of them. Still installing. There we go. So, .NET fine. So, you can sign into Microsoft Visual Studio subscription. After you signed in. Okay. There we go. Okay, fire up the go. And then go into the project. Apparently then it will work. Does this actually work? Guys, it didn't work. Guys, it didn't work at all. Why didn't it not work? What is wrong with my no. What mine is what is wrong with me, guys? Right. But how do you do it so it's inside? How do you do this? And options in the project settings? So what, do I go into the project settings and enable it or something? Is that what I gotta do? How the fuck does this work, guys? Oops. Project settings? C# code. Config. Run. Window. Rendering. TLS. GL compatibility. Environment. OpenXR. GD script. Shapes. Oh Lord, guys. How the fuck does this work? I don't get this at all. You know what, guys? Okay, he's always talking about extension. You know what, guys? Fuck C#. Fuck C#. Fuck C#, guys. I'm annoyed at it already. So we're not gonna use C#. Yeah. I'll figure that out later. I'll have to figure that stuff out later. I'll figure it out later. Okay, anyways. So let's just do some coding, guys. So consistent, right, we're gonna grab this on reti. Well, this already goes in though, so I actually don't need this because we're already starting here. Here we would need to, you know, let's open up a different project. I didn't even transition yet. Okay, that's fine. Now let's transition. So I'm gonna have up this other project because I did have a splash screen inside of it. But could I like open a documentation? Nope. That's not what I want to do. Close. Open in file system. Oh, my file system opens up. Flash screen. Open a new. Oh, hello. Show in file manager. So now we're gonna close that out. So let's go into this. Can I like do that? Yeah. Okay. It's missing too much. Okay, I don't care then. I did want to see if I could do that, but I guess not. Attach a script. Call this splash screen set GD. Put that into there. Upon this, when it is ready, this has to have another container. Enter container. Put those into there. That doesn't matter. Let's just put it into a container. Okay, fine. I'll put it into another node. To another control node. Put those into there. Put this. Oops, don't do that. Where is the... Here it is, sorry. Scale it up, put those into there, and then name this Screen 1. And then here, I should be able to change the transparency of this. I'm not wrong. The visibility. So I can change the visibility here. So what I'm going to do is for item self pass. Is that how you do it? I don't remember. Alright, we'll bring up the other one. I don't remember how to do this, guys. I don't remember. I'm not too worried about you guys seeing any of those, because none of them are actually anything useful. So let's see. This splash screen script. How did this work, eh? So we have two of them, right? For screen in splash screen. Splash screens is an array. get the children. Okay. Okay. So for screen in self.get children. Print screen. That should work, right? Yes. So what we are going to be doing is doing the same exact thing, right? Modulate. The screens. Okay, fade. Okay. So modulate it. And then we have a function called fade. What this function does is it's going to pass for now. So it should grab all of the screens. For every screen, should modulate it in and out. Okay. That's why it has this. We have a splash screens. Why is it this here though? I'm gonna be honest. How can I improve this code? That's what I'm looking at right now. So what I should do, instead of doing this, I should just fade every single one. Let's see. So if I fade every single one, so it's making it invisible, and making it, no, visible, invisible. So if I were to shorten this out, it would be for every screen, it should be uninvisible, and then it should fade out, right? Should fade. Should fade? Should fade. Showcased, fade, change scene. Okay. Whoops, that's not what I want to do. My bad, guys. So it should fade out. So it should fade in, fade out. So I'm making them all invisible, and then I have to slowly fade them in. So var splash screens, which is an array, is equal to self.getChildren. So now I can do that. So make them all invisible, right? And then for screen in splash screen fade. So this is first. That's not how you do it in Godot. That's how you do it. So this is first fading out all the screens, and then this is going to be fade the screens back in slowly. So for every screen, it will fade in. So basically, this will be var tween is equal to tween dot new, I think is what it is, right? Self-decorate tween. Self-decorate tween? Self-decorate tween. Alright, just wait. I will be right back. Sorry about that. The dog seemed to come stay with me for a bit. So we're using self here, so we're telling this to create a tween. Honestly, it's a little bit weird, but okay. And then here, all we're gonna be doing is, so let's grab all this. Right. And then wait. Tweens? What is tweens, eh? Tweens is a table. True. That is actually a good thing to keep track of. So our tweens equal to a table. That is actually a pretty good thing to expect a statement found indent instead. What does that mean? Sorry. So these ones don't have time, right? So that's why in the script it is export variable in times is a int equal to, I don't know, let's just do 1.15. Actually not int, but this is float. And then another export variable. Fade in time, which will be another float, which will be 1.5. Export the variable. Pause time, which will be another float, which is going to be 1.1. Export var. Fade in time. Fade out time, which is going to be another float. 1.5. And then an out. Export var out time would be another float. We're going to put 1.0. Whoops. Float. Sorry. Right, and then we're waiting when the tween is finished. And then once the tween is finished, we are going to screen.modulate to 0. So that way, I have another screen here. I'll name this one placeholder 2. Sorry. Placeholder 2. So what we're going to be doing now is in here. It'll do it the same exact time of each other. Okay. Huh. For each screen, make it there. For loops in Godot, I automatically Oh, this is kind of weird. Oh, just wait. How does this work? So upon it being ready, it gets the screens, puts all of them into here, and then does it. And then it fades all the screens and awaits between to be finished, and then it does something. So inside of here, should I do await? Maybe if I await it, does that fix it? That did indeed await, fix it. Huh. So, does that mean that the codes inside of it, so that means for this, right? Gosh, I keep going doing the slashes for the shader. Anyways, so that means for this, it will goes through both screen 1 and 2, doesn't async modulate .a into 0.0, right? Here, right here, put await so that it waits for each screen in splash screens to finish fading, and then fades, does the next screen. Out time, fade in, pause time, right? And then it's gonna be in here. Let's do out time is 0.5, guys. So it takes 1.5 times to come in, out. Placeholder 2. Good out time. Let's put this as 0.5. So 0.5. Let's see how that. Well, it should make this faster. It fades out, and then comes in, and then comes back in. Good. So there's a splash screen I made. It's actually different than the one that this guy has. It's actually different. Mine simply uses this. And if I did want to, I could do texture picture react instead. But at the end of the day, it's just this that matters. Okay, so this is actually not that bad. So this works asynchronously though, huh? In Roblox Studio, it would go for each screen, and then it would do this, and then after this is done, it would go back into the next one in the list. So if I print out the array, right? I print out the array. What it would do is it would go through this one, modulate it, and then it would go to this one and modulate it. But it seems like in Godot, these are not what is it? I actually don't need that. Anyways, these are asynchronous already, right? So that means both of them run at the same time. So if I were to do print screen dot name, does that work? Dot name? Name? Or how would I? Does that work? That's 0. Nope. Whoops. Okay, that just errors it out. Print the screen. Screen is a control. So how would I print the screen dot How do you print out the name of the screen, guys? It has to be here somewhere, right? Just print out the screen. I'm gonna close this out for now. Okay, well, she's barking again, so I'll be right back. Well, you guys got a long look at my code. A very long look at my code. I'm just kidding, I don't really care. I was gone for a while, my bad. Insanely my bad. Dog had a little bunch of stuff she wanted to do, so I did them for her. Okay. So, let us think about this, right? This is a really bad thing to do. Because there's no point in printing this, because of course it's gonna go in order. It's this that I should do, and then let's do print between has been made. Of course, cut that down there, and then print between has finished. So we're gonna make screen this, and then print out the screen. Right. Do the same thing down here. Right. Do the same thing down there. And now let's do this, right? Yeah, so it does do it asynchronously. So basically, well, would you call that asynchronous? I guess. Because in Roblox Studio, it typically doesn't wait like that. Typically, I think in Roblox Studio, it would actually wait for the screen to fade, and then it would do it. If I'm remembering correctly. No, why don't we just bring up Roblox Studio in? Why don't we just bring up Roblox Studio and check that out? Let me just boom. That way you guys don't see anything. Experiences, recent. Home. Experiences, home. Let's create a faceplate. Plop. Alright. Oh, whoa, fuck. They changed it. I have the new one. It updated. The update button still doesn't fucking work, guys. Like they said, oh yeah, this update button is not for anything. It's for this or that. But it doesn't do jack shit. It does not do jack shit. So it's so foolish. Anyways. So let's do something. Let's do the exact same thing for this, right? So we'll have so let's make a local function that fades. Okay. So what we're gonna do is local screens, and then local tweens, local function on fade, local function fade on fade. It will do print fading screen. I actually kind of like this look. I won't lie. Right. So screen. Screens equal to self get children. Children. Huh. You know, if I want to do that, just do local self is equal to script. For now, self works. Right? Self that. Yeah, self works now. For index screen in screens do fade. Screen. So here, what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to add in just add in some screen UIs, and then add this one. Call it 1. Call this one 2. Screen. Oops. I don't really care about that. And let's try it out. This is not. Oh, this is replicated storage. This has to go to start to play scripts. My bad. Okay, this does not do it correctly, because what we need to do for this, do tax.wait for, and then print finish, and then print the screen.name. Damn it, I keep doing that on instinct. Yeah, see, so it fades to screen 1, it waits, and then it screens. Okay, so I was right. So this is not asynchronous. Meanwhile, Godot's asynchronous. Screen, do time, and then it prints out the time. Let's do this. That way we can see it. That's like the same number, is it not? 16. 216. What does this even do? Time? Oh, time data. The time symbol allows converting time variables into a format. Oh shit. That's not what I wanted. Time is not anything, guys. How to print the time? Print time in Godot. How do I do this? What does it say? That's how you do that. So you would do that. I got that from AI. Eight times string 2. Fine. So let's do this, right? Let's try 225. 43, 643, they both start, and then they both end at the same time. If you go into Roblox Studio, and you print out, I don't remember how to do this in Roblox Studio. Roblox Studio, how to print time. Time now. Time object versus local time. Do this, print out time is equal to that. And then do this, do that. God damn it. Have it. Let's see. Time is that. Time is that. Then it starts it. Then it ends the time. Okay. So yeah, this is not asynchronous. Okay, I hate that. That sucks. That's horrendous. But okay, that was right about that with Godot and Roblox Studio. I don't need to say anything in that. I was right. But of course, all you have to do is just say this and just put a wait. Because await will just wait for the screens to be finished one by one. Look at that! Okay, now I need a export variable load finished load scene, which will be a packed scene. So in here, right, there'll be an empty scene. So this is going to be loading in the world scene, right? What I need to do now though is I need to go to the scene manager. Let's get rid of this and let's do func change scene. Return a scene. Return a node. Return a node. So it should get a scene for now, right? Scene for now. Pass. Return node. Return self. There, that works. That works. Okay. So what this has to do is has to how does it put through? What is that? Has to change the scene to a new scene. So get tree dot. I don't know how this works. I don't know how this works. Let me go back to the Godot. Scripting language, compiling that. I'll fucking figure all that out later. Godot in the nope. Choosing a tree scene node. The main. Right. Okay, so let me look at this, right? You go to the remote. So there's a scene. Here's the root. There's the splash screens. How do I get that? I don't know how to do this. First, this is a scene. Scene that is a packed scene. So scene that instantate, right? So this would be var new scene. Look at that. So once it instantates it, it would have to. Get node. Remove the old node. So tree dot root. So how do I know? I guess you don't, right? This will. I should have kept this one open. My bad. So let's just change scene to packed, right? So if I do that here, I do get tree, change scene to packed, and I just do that. Like, no. Wait. Okay. Change scene to packed. What if I do change scene to file? So then inside of here, after it does that, it would do scene manager dot change scene, and then do finished load scene. So let's see how this looks, right? Oops. So do the placeholder. That's the placeholder, right? Change the scene to pack. Okay. So this is just this. Right, okay, let's oops. Change scene to pack. Right. So this is like the basics. So it does the splash screens, right? So and then it does placeholder 2, and then it's just switched to the world. So it switches to the world, and it gets rid of the old one. So this is the change scene to pack, right? But now, if instead see, I wanted it to be all in the root node, but if I'm gonna do that way, it'd be a pain in my butt. So, okay, I can see why, instead of doing that, basically, world being removed, and you have a node here. We call this one world. Call this one world. Put in a 3D node, and then you put in a call this GUIs. Call this one world, and then you would slap that scene manager into there. Here you do this, and instead of that, you would go to scenes, and I did not say this. Down to there, project settings, go into here, scene, world, add, oh wait, nope. World. Would you add the world in here? Because this is just the world. So how would I access the scene manager though that I've placed inside of the world? So this is the scene manager. What I'm doing is I'm placing the world into itself. Because the scene... So that means this world is now going to start. So, let me do this. Godot, how to get a script in a node, right? So, script. Okay. Script. So, okay, so inside of here, instead of saying I could do world dot script. Change scene. Is that how that works? Would that work? I need the handle thing. I can skip it. Okay, so that doesn't work. Script seed known. Right. Okay, so that does not work. So because you can't just do world not change scene, right? Okay, I need to do the handle input. That doesn't work, right? Yeah. Non-existent function. That's maybe also because it's supposed to be that. Okay, so it does still work. Should skip the photo. I need to look at the remote, guys. So I know what the hell's happening. Okay. So that does work. Okay, so that does work like that. Oops. Oh, you can just grab both of them like this and then drag it. Okay. That's kind of useful to know. You just grab both of them and then plop. Hey up. What the hell? How did I do that? How did I grab both of them before? I don't know. Magic? Power of magic, I guess. So, this would now need to say, hey, scene that var new scene equal to scene that instantate, and then world dot add child the new scene, right? Instead, and then it would have to be delete. See, okay, so let's not do that for now. Let's not go off bonkers for me, right? So it does that. Just skip the photo. It's not skipping the photos. What air it out? Did I change something? Splash screen doesn't get destroyed. Okay, wait. Wait. I think I know. Okay. Look at world, right? Yes, it does add the world. It adds the world. It's just the splash screen doesn't get destroyed. So instead of that, should do font ready to void. Upon me being ready, I should grab this scene, right? Grab this scene, do variable splash screen equal to this dot instantate. So instantate this and then put this into GUIs.add add underscore child. Add this as a child. Go into my project settings. Scene. Run. Change this into this. Whoops. That'll stop. Anyways, that's fine. But okay, so now it is getting this and putting it into there. So now what I need, so these are going to be constants. This would be variables. Var current world var current GUI. So GUI current GUI is equal to this, and the current world equal to this new scene. So right, this should be world. Right, so this should be world. Well, actually, no, not world, but scene world. Yes, that makes a lot of sense, right? Scene world, right? Makes a lot of sense. So here, honestly, it's actually this one where I would have to just do self.q3. I just do that. This is where I'd actually do it. So that way, when this is done, after this is done, just delete itself. So queue itself, put in a world. Why is there like two of them? Okay, so instead of calling that Am I adding itself to itself? I am, ain't I? I am 100% adding itself into itself, ain't I? No, it doesn't have a scene. So let's create a new scene. Oh, do this right. New scene. Call this starting area. Save the starting area. Place the starting area into here. So once it starts, I can just go into here. What is this? There's two of them. Oh. Okay, let's do this. Func, start game, return a void. What it will do is it will say, so var started equal to false. If it is started, do this. Okay. So let's do that and do that. It started then, and then started to true. See if this works. If started is equal to false, then do that. Then do this. Else game print game has already started. I was like, why is it not working? Still started twice. World is false. Started is false. Started equals false. Spawner world. It's still doing it twice. Is it because these two are asynchronous? Since they're asynchronous, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what to do, guys. They're asynchronous, right? That means they both do things at the same time. Was it running twice? Running twice? running twice. But that guy is just doing that. So it's ready twice? Okay. ChatGPT to the rescue, right guys? I'm just kidding, I'm gonna talk to it real quick to see if I can get any ideas. Why is my underscore ready running twice? Why is it running twice? Your slash ready isn't actually being called twice by Godot for no reason, because you're instating and adding your splash screen. In Godot, the underscore ready is called every time a node enters the active scene tree. If you instantate, add it to a scene, or move it and then add it again, slash take ready will run again. If you instantate the scene twice or add the same child twice, this is already called. Is that not what it is? So your manager node, but your splash screen itself, the first node already. You preload. That's what's happening. I'm preloading it. Oh. So that's... Oh. So if I preload it, I don't have to instantate it. If I don't preload this though, so if I do this and do that, okay, yeah. So, okay, wait. So if I have it like this, okay, so basically what's happening is when I preload it, it runs the onReady, and then I'm instantating it, which runs it again, and then I do, okay. So preload just works. So basically preload is just this was splash screens. Alright, so this will have to be var loaded splash screen, and then equal this to that load. Saying I have to do load and splash screen and then do that, and then this is going to load it. Oh yes, okay, preload, load. So this loads it and then instantize it, and then this should fix everything. Should have fixed everything. It's not fixing everything though. Why? So it loads it and then it Actually, no, wait. So basically, don't do that. Do that. That doesn't work. Okay, well, ChatGPT has fucking lied to me. I just realized. It gave me the same fucking code that I just wrote. Okay. This is why I hate AI, guys. This AI is fucking dumb as hell. This AI is so fucking dumb. Can't just do that, right? Yeah. So you need to instantate it. You know what? Actually, let me do this. Print. Let me do this, guys. Print. 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 I don't know. You can do that. Print. Already started. Am I doing it twice or something? I don't know, guys. Is it because wait. Might disable that. And then this is it. And then that doesn't work. So, what? Project run. What do I run? Here? What? What? So auto-loading it messes it up. But I need it to be a global variable so that I can have it with the scene controller. Be able to use it anywhere. But I'm not supposed to have the scene starter be it. Where do I put it then? Am I crazy? Wait. So instead of that, let's do scene manager. Oh no, what is this gonna be? Scene manager. Right. So what I'm going to be doing now is running this on the world? Oh my god, my brain is like dying. So I'm running this and I have a new one. So I'm saying when these two are on is ready, they equal this. But it doesn't work because it doesn't do it in time. Okay. I don't get it. I'll be 100% honest with you. Why is the on ready variables? No. Oops. No. Loading this scene as my first scene the game knows. It doesn't know since already won't resolve. Well, they fucking exist. So how does that work? Because this is export. So what? This has to just be export. So these just have to be export with this calling node path. Like should be a node 3D and a node 2D. No, control. Right? And then so plop and plop. Right? So this should work, right? Doesn't work. How does this work? So I go into my project settings, I go into run, right? It's same thing. This is a node. This is what happens when you don't understand the freaking engine you're using. God. What if I just don't have a scene manager? It's gonna error out, isn't it? Yep. It's gonna error out. So why is this? Can I call a child a no value? Print out the world and then the GUIs. I don't know. So what? Do I have to do this? And do that? And GUIs equal 2 GUIs. I should fix it, right? Godo, how to make a script wait for its variable. Godo, how to make underscore ready wait for its variable. Yeah, you know, I fucking tried that. I fucking tried this and it doesn't fucking work for some reason. Why does this not work? Woo! I'm getting frustrated, boys! Why? Nope. Look at this, right? Why is it 2 worlds now? Project setting? It's not even enabled though. It's still saying the no. Still saying that they're no. Still says that they're no. Why does it say add child and no then? Okay, there's something I'm missing here. There's something really large I'm missing here. I know there is. There's something I am missing here that I don't know about. There's something very large that I'm missing here. Something I'm missing. So there's something I'm missing that I don't understand. But what is it? Not sure. How do we rename this? Main world. Instead. Maybe that. Does it not work? So it doesn't work if I auto load it. Okay. Let me... Okay. Let me look at what this other guy did again. What his method was. Okay, so Godo, how to Bro, this is... This is not it at all. You know what? Godo Scene Manager. Holy shit, my brain is like, boom. I'm trying my absolute best to do this. What is... Okay, I'm thinking that I think I might be thinking of this in a whole entire wrong area. This should not exist. So should 1000% be this. Shouldn't even have this. So oops. So this, fuck it, that shouldn't even exist no more. That should not exist. Oops, my bad. Add child. These get the fuck out. Okay, my brain, sorry, I'm so quiet, but my brain has just been racking it. I think the reason why I'm having so much trouble is this. Let me take some of this. Okay. 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 Okay, I think I'm starting to get it though. Let me do a little bit more time on this. Little bit more time. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna make these into dictionaries. So that way, what I can do is I can do current world dot scene world equal to scene world. So print out current worlds. So okay. So in here, when they're on the ready, we are going to have another node, call this starting node 2. And then we're going to do right of here. Variable new area is equal to preload that. Not actually preload, but how does this work again? Of course, pack. Okay, so that doesn't need to be preloaded. So then I go into here, I go into scene manager dot change scene area. Right. And then let's do a boolean called delete called action. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make an enum with a whole bunch of actions equal to table of delete. Going to be a actions. So in here, right, and then so this will have to be a gd dot scene manager dot actions dot delete. So I'm going to do a function here called change scene. It's going to be a void. What it will do is it will say it will take in a scene and it will say scene dot so take a scene. What it wants to do might do something like this, and scenes, and scenes. What am I thinking? So I wanted this to be that. So that way I could go, this is the scene, and then this will be the node, and then this will be a add to, which would be a scene. So what I wanted to do is say, hey, match add to the scenes dot current world. Right. So I want to do this, do that, and say, hey, if the add to is the current world of that, then I do current worlds underscore scene equal to scene, or current GUI's scene is equal to scene. Shouldn't throw any errors. Just throw one. Oh. I know why though. Because this is supposed to. So suppose I have. So what this is going to be doing is saying I want it, so when it's ready I'd say, hey, scene manager add scene manager change change current scene itself with the scene manager dot scenes dot current worlds. So if I did this correctly, it should say print adding to, or it should be adding to that guy. Okay. This should be called add current scene. Add current scene. Actions delete. So actions delete. Function do action, which should do a match. Right, so it's going to take an action, max action to the actions dot delete, pass actions dot hide, pass this one and this. So here, so take the action, and then current scene should be a node. So it's gonna take a current scene too. So basically what I'm trying to do here is here, and then it will send in itself, right? And here it will send in itself. The reason why I'm sending in itself is because in here so I will go if current worlds if current is not equal to no, then current not that, and then here is else elif current print else print error cannot find the location of said node. Right. So what we're doing is we're checking the node in both of these. So instead though, what I should do is I should do this. Okay, wait. So this is handling the action. So inside of here, we're doing the scene, we're adding into here, we're returning the scene node. But here we have to do action, which is going to give us which we need to send the action and the current scene, right? So this is going to destroy the last scene and then spawn in the scene, right? So current scene. So let's not even find it like this. Where are you? Why am I doing this? Why don't I just call this current scenes equal to dictionary that way. Wow, I just had an epiphany. Why don't I just do this? So basically what I'm going to be doing is saying current scene of, because all these scenes are going to be in the same place. I no longer need it to be separate. Current, so it'll be variable last scene, and then last scene that Q. Last scene, which will be scene node. Then we'll do last scene dot Q free. Else if it is hide, then do the same thing except not Q free, but go into here, visibility. Yes, the last visible false. And then here I just have to do that. And that's it. If not seen, warn, print, error, scene not found. And then matches it. Because all the scenes are going to be in the same spot, it doesn't matter. My gosh, I hit such a hard epiphany. Thank God I kept going. I was gonna quit. I hit an epiphany. It doesn't matter. I don't need to know if it's a 3D or if it's a GUI scene. All the scenes are going to be the scenes. It doesn't matter what it is. So we're using a dictionary here because the dictionary allows us to just simply put in the scene to find the scenes, right? Because here we set the scene already. We're setting the scenes. And so this should just work perfectly, right? Q4. So, oh, breakpoint? I had a breakpoint? Oops. That's not what I wanted. I don't know why there's a breakpoint thing. Okay. An invalid access to property or key starting area node on a base object type dictionary. saying that this cannot be accessed in that manner. So, what is this? How can I access the code inside the variable current scenes? How can I access the scene inside the variable current scenes? Do I need to even do this? Enum keys. No. Get the fuck out of here. Sorry. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. I don't need any of those. Nope. Oopsies. I accidentally gave it the wrong shit. So, if not current scenes has the current printout, otherwise so this doesn't work though. So, can I not print out current scenes? Can I not do that? You guys realize the reason why I'm having such a hard time reading this is because I don't have lines. It's not telling me. It's not telling me where the fuck the lines are. I just realized that's why I'm having such a hard time. Gosh, I got cited. I sent in an application to somebody for a lead game designer role, and yeah, I don't think I got it. I don't think I got it, guys. Very sad about that, but nothing you can do about it. Just get better, right? You just gotta get better. Okay? Okay. Anyways. So current scene, because the scene that scene should be here, right? I added the scene. I added the current scene. Okay. Godot, is there a way to show the line that the output is outputting from? Like, is there a way to do that? Okay, so I need to print debug. Holy. So I need to print debug if I wanted to do that. 16 do action. Add current scene, so it's printing. You know what? Should do this. So this is the number. 59852167. Do action. 16. Why is there 2 of them running? There's 2 of them doing it. God. As you can see, there's 2 of them running. God. Fuck, okay, I'm going to figure that out later. Sorry, I was thinking a whole bunch of thoughts. I was like, what is it that I'm doing? So. So it can't, it's not even finding it. Alright, it's printing out the error, see not found. Why though? So, okay. Godo Dictionary. Can you use nose as the key? So why do I want to know what the node is? Because why do I want to know this? Wait. Why do I want to know this though? Change scene I kind of get. But I could always just have it send itself. Am I wrong when I think that? I'm thinking about like, if I had an entity and I needed it to destroy itself, couldn't I could just queue free itself, first of all. Make it do an animation, queue free itself. So do I need... The only thing I would need in this isn't even action. Okay. Plump. Delete this. Delete this. Delete this. Delete this. Delete this. Change scene. Delete this. Delete that. Delete that. Current scene. Okay, I guess this one I would need, right? I would need a delete. So I would do an actions is a table. Delete. Hide. So this would send. I would need an action, which is actions. So then that way. Here, I could just do the match. Match action with actions dot delete. Delete. Or actions dot hide. Right, so if I did this, then I could do current scene dot queue free or currency dot visibility equal to false, right? Because you can go here, go into where the visibility, visible. So visible with the false, right? So I guess it would still be that. So you could give an action, and then it will just do this, and it will add the child to the scene. Right. Keep it simple. Non-existent function add current scene. Sorry. That not supposed to exist no more. So it's going to do this. And we deleted it. It deleted itself. Okay. 15. I'll just keep it in case. I was like, I technically don't need this anymore, but I will keep this just in case. So print out, going to next scene. It happens so goddamn quick. I can't even tell. Right, so okay. Okay, so it is deleting itself, right? So instead of deleting this one, let's do hide instead. So if I do hide instead, okay. Visible with the value type bool on a base. Invalid assignment property or key visible with value of type bool on base object of type node. So how would I do this then, huh? Visibility. Godot, how to hide a node. Encode. Wait. You're telling me it is just V? Even though the visible here is... Okay. I guess it's not... I guess it's not a capital V. It does say capital V in here though, so I thought it was, but I guess not. Okay. So now this node is hidden. So what we're gonna do... boom. Let's add in a mesh instance. Create a box mesh. Add a camera 3D to this. Do that. Same thing right here. Kaboom. Add in a mesh instance. The mesh instance though will be a capsule, and then add in a camera 3D and do that. So upon this script, upon the starting area, wait. Okay. Godot, how to make a code. Create timer. So you just have to create a timer for that. Okay. So here, what I am doing, so splash screen, it's going to go here, going to the next scene. Okay. Here. Okay. So I did make one. Extremely simple. I had to go back to I was thinking of such complex things, and I was like, okay, let's just go back to bare basics. Bare bones, right? And so I did. This is the bare bones of whatever I'm doing. Absolute bare bones of what a scene manager is supposed to do. So now technically I should have transitions, right? So I should have an enum called transitions, and it should be a table. And then I have a function with the fade to black, let's say, right? Fade to black, void path. So it'll be fade to black, and let's do pixel depth right? And then a funk pixel, pixel def, takes in a void print, show pixel def transformation. Print here should do a fade to black transition. To black transformation. And then here I would have a what do they call it, eh? Transition. Why the hell did my brain die in that? Right. So now inside of here, I would have to put a scene manager dot transition dot fade to black. Oops, that's why that wasn't working. That's a dot. And then you can go up to here, paste this one, except this one could be pixel def. So then now do that. Then I will match the transition. Match the transition with transitions. Transition with transitions. That fade to black. Fade to black. Transitions. Dot pixel def. And pixel def. Which should work everything. Should do fade to black, should do pixel def. So there we go. Right, and this guy, I'm looking at his code. He has signals to say when what happens. Right, that just honestly can do that. But okay, let's end this here. I don't even know if I'm gonna stream some Minecraft. It's only be like an hour. But holy shit, almost 3 hours I spent coding this. And in the end, this is all I wrote. That's it. Oh my god. I did get a better grasp though on the Godot engine. So I can't really complain. ChatGPT did jack shit. So it did nothing for me. Just took me down the wrong routes. But I figured it out in the end of it. I thought about it in my own way. I made it work in my own way. Thank God. Thank God. It definitely makes a lot more sense in my own head when I did this. But that's coding. It takes a while, right? Luckily I have experience of coding, so I don't have to be too confused about everything that I'm doing, but I got it. In the end, I got it, right? I got it in the end, so I'm happy. But, as I always say, hopefully the gods of luck give you some luck. If you've been having a bad day, hope the rest of your day is better And I hope the rest of your other days are better as well. Have fun, you know? Don't stress too much. Have fun in life, guys. I will be ending the stream now, so I will see you guys later. I don't know if I'm gonna do Minecraft. I'll see. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get much done in Minecraft. I think I'll just take a break for today. I won't do Minecraft. I did this coding already. So I'll just do that. But thank you guys, and I will see you guys later.